flags all around. Start again. Call 3, 2, 1, go!
Every year.
We don't do that. If you're out, we need you to leave the track. If you're not in your car, please leave the track. Alright, let's do a round for him. He took one hell of a hit there. Oops, pardon my language.
No longer. One right down in front of us, that was Colt. He's the one that pulled his flag off and threw it at the crowd. That was Colt.
Alright, we're going to see if we can figure out who's all in
He
here.
hadn't hit anybody within time. He got counted out. But still, he shouldn't have tossed his flag at the crowd.
Maybe 55 if he should not go.
Yeah, when you get counted out, you get counted out.
22K, you think is still in? Alright. Just looking at my flag, guys. What do we got? What do we got? We got a green flag, green flag, green flag. Still got a red flag from G. Still got a red flag from G. 55. Still got a red flag. Still got a red flag. We ain't calling you to go yet. We think we still have 5. We're trying to determine if we still have 5 drivers. Alright. We have green flags all the way around, folks. 3, 2, 1.
Y'all need to hit somebody.
Hang up here.
Juan's out too. He just got counted out.
Come on, folks. Let's get the driver going. Come on, guys. Go.
Wave your red flag. Hey!
I think they're both caught.
I think they're both not in.
Stay in your cars, drivers. Don't be climbing out. There's still racing going on.
Yeah, right.
Come on, 12. Give it ahead. Give it to him. Oh, he's picking up speed.
I don't think he has any gear.
Number 95, put your helmet back on. You're in your car on a live track. Helmet on, please. All right, we got flaggers counting them down. Who's making a last hit? Number 71, still hitting. Come on, number 12. You got anything left? All right, we're all just put his flag down.